Welcome to my windy workshop. Okay, so there's a Green Machine wheel with a freewheeling hub on it. Cool. And doesn't have many spokes, unfortunately. It has 14 per side, so 28. Now this BMX wheel has 18 per side, so it has 36, a lot stronger. And unfortunately, when I had a big crash on my drift trike the other day, I kind of mangled it a wee bit, so it's not looking too healthy there. Used to be straight, but no, not anymore. Big crash, and there's no way I'm going to straighten that up. So what would be nice is to put those spokes and that many spokes on a Huffy hub. Now there's a problem there, because as I said, Huffy hub only has 14 holes per side, and this one has 18 holes per side. Now it was a nightmare, because I thought, oh yeah, I'll just drill holes in between these because there's lots of gaps on this one, but it's going to be a bit of an experiment. I'm going to drill 4 extra holes on each side and then see if I can lace up the wheel, and then I'll have a 36 spoke, much stronger wheel. Hopefully I won't end up with a buckle like that one. So we'll see how we go. But kind of at 90 degrees, yeah, or 180 degrees, and I'm going to drill 4 extra holes on both sides and then see if we can lace up the wheel. Yippee, success! This is my new wheel, and what we did do is, as you can see, we put in an extra hole there, and the same on the other side, and the same here, and the same here, and on the opposite, pretty much where the opposite is, we put an additional hole as well, and then spoked it like the standard wheel. And we have a Huffy wheel with 36 spokes instead of the 28, and what I need to do now is tension them up and make it true, and we have a strengthened Huffy wheel with 36 spokes. You will need a titanium drill because this is hardened steel, so you need a titanium bit on your drill, and you might go through a couple of them because it is very hard metal. It's been hardened because inside the hub are the teeth which the brass things clip into, so that hub is actually hardened steel. But how to strengthen your Huffy wheel, especially after you've had a big crash like I had. Okay, so there it is. One uprated Huffy wheel from 28 to 36 spokes. Now the important thing to do is that the diameter of that hub needs to be the diameter of the hub there. They need to be the same, otherwise you're going to have fun and games. So you can see that they're the same size. The flange here, this part, has to be the same diameter as that part. But other than that, it works. Hard on the old drill bits, but yeah, a few extra holes and a brand new strengthened wheel.